Good morning, children. Welcome to class 12th biology once again. I hope you all are fine and stay home. Children, in our previous videos, we were discussing chapter number 5, that is principles of inheritance and variation. Children, this chapter we also taken in live session. Okay, we also discussed about this chapter. Now the last topic of this chapter will cover in this video, that is chromosomal disorder. Okay, Mendelian disorder we have taken in the previous video, in which we have discussed about hemophilia, phenylketonuria, color blindness, thalassemia. Okay, now children, in this video we will take the chromosomal disorder such as Down syndrome, Klinefelter syndrome and Turner syndrome. Okay, we will discuss in detail about this. So let's start about this. Children, chromosomal disorders is related to the chromosomes. Okay, when the chromatids that are failed to segregate during cell division, so at that time in some humans, resulting in gain or loss of a chromosome. In some people, one chromosome will add, and in some people, the one chromosome will loss. Okay, so resulting in gain or loss of chromosome, this is called aneuploidy. Okay, it is also known as the euploidy, aneuploidy or euploidy. Okay, gain or loss of the chromosome in the individual. Okay, so when chromosomes are not separate at time, so at that time aneuploidy or euploidy occur. Okay, so if one chromosome will add or one chromosome will loss, this process is called aneuploidy or euploidy. Okay, so children, in chromosomal disorder, as you can see on your screen, are caused due to excess, that is additional copy of chromosome, absence, that is loss of chromosome, or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosome. Okay, so three conditions are there. The first one, that is excess, second absence, or third one, that is abnormal arrangement. Okay, due to that the individual suffer from disease. Okay, in that disease, in that disorders, they show mental retardation, short height, the palm will be broad, or in some syndrome, some disorder, sorry, the male contain the female character. Okay, so we'll discuss in detail one by one. First of all, see the Down syndrome. Okay, clear about chromosomal disorder? Chromosomal, that is, in human being 46 chromosomes are found. If the chromatids that are not separate at time, so at that time additional copy are added to the chromosome, or sometime the one chromosome will reduced. Okay, like for example 46 plus 1 or 46 minus 1. Okay, so these types of things are known as the chromosomal disorders. So the first disorders, first syndrome in that is Down syndrome. Okay, see about this, that is Down's syndrome. Okay, in this in this type of disorder, additional copy of chromosome number 21. Additional copy means the 23 pair are found in normal human being. Okay, 23 pair out of 23, 22 pair are autosomes and one pair that is sex chromosome. Okay, 22 are the autosomes that do not involve in the determination of sex. Only the sex chromosome, that is 23 pair, that have a role in the determination of sex of the fetus. Okay, so if the chromosome are added on chromosome number 21, then it is the trisomy of chromosome number 21. Okay, means one extra chromosome are added on 21 pair. Okay, so if this condition occur in an individual, so they suffer from Down syndrome. Okay, simple. Some symptoms are there. If someone having this syndrome, they will suffer. They have some symptoms. Number one, they have short height with round head. Okay, they have the small round head and the height that is short. Okay, second, the mouth that is partially open and the tongue that is furrowed, that is cut are found in their tongue. Okay, cut are found on their tongue and their mouth is open. Okay, partially. Okay, third symptoms that appear in Down syndrome, that is palm is broad. Okay, and they also have crease line. Okay, the palm that is will broad and they have the crease line. Okay, and their mental development that is very slow. Okay, so these things happen if the trisomy occur. Trisomy, that is means two chromosome are found on 21, but if an extra chromosome are appear on chromosome number 21, then it is the trisomy. Okay, and this trisomy is known as the Down syndrome, and the symptoms as I told you in front of you. Okay, clear? Children, aneuploidy we have discussed. Aneuploidy, that is the gain or loss of extra chromosome. Okay, that is aneuploidy or euploidy. Okay, but what is polyploidy? Polyploidy, that is increase whole set of chromosome. Okay, in which a whole set of chromosome are increased in polyploidy. We don't have some disorder in our syllabus regarding polyploidy, but you should know the definition. Okay, increase whole set of chromosomes. Clear? So if the question asked in exam, Down syndrome is sex link or autosome, so you can say that it is autosome link, because the trisomy occur on the autosomes, not on the sex chromosome. Okay, next, number two, that is Klinefelter syndrome. Okay, it is Klinefelter syndrome. It is based on sex chromosome. Okay, like 23 pairs are there, 23 are the sex chromosome are there, 23 last chromosome pair. So this Klinefelter syndrome occur on the last pair, that is known as the sex chromosome. Okay, what happened in that? The presence of additional copy of X chromosome. Okay, basically it occur in the male. Okay, not in the female. Klinefelter syndrome that occur in the male. So 45 will be fine. 46 chromosome, that is XY, that is the male. Okay, so in that a extra copy, additional copy of X chromosome are added. Okay, so resulting in the karyotype, that is 45 plus XXY. Normally the human have the 45 plus XY, but here due to additional copy of X chromosome, that karyotype is showing 45 plus XXY. Okay. So if this problem occur, this disorder occur due to not segregation of chromosome properly, the person show the following symptoms. You can see on your screen. Number one, sex of individual is masculine but it possesses the feminine character. Okay, the individual will male but it show the feminine female character, like development of the breast. Okay, the beard will be poor and the pitch very low pitch, they have feminine pitch voice. Okay, it should be sterile. A condition is there that is known as gynecomastia. Okay, gynecomastia that are found in the individual, those have Klinefelter syndrome. In gynecomastia, basically male contain the female features. Okay, and these features are development of the breast, poor beard growth, feminine pitch voice. Okay, clear? Klinefelter syndrome, that is sex link. Okay, so children, two terms are there in front of you. Number one, that is trisomy, and number two, that is monosomy. Okay, if the question asked in exam what is trisomy, you can tell that is additional copy of chromosome are added on 46. Okay, 2n plus 1, 2n that is 46 plus 1, that is additional copy. Okay, this condition is known as the trisomy. Okay, trisomy, that is 2n plus 1, 2n that is 46 and 23 plus 2n 46 and plus 1, that is additional copy. So Klinefelter syndrome, that is the example of trisomy. Okay, and monosomy, that is if the one chromosome are less or lost in individual. So this is monosomy. Okay, 2n minus 1. Okay, see the last syndrome, last disorder of chromosome, that is Turner's syndrome. It is the example of monosomy. Okay, monosomy, that is 2n minus 1. Okay, 2n minus 1, 2n that is 46 and minus 1, one chromosome will less, will lost. Okay, see about this Turner syndrome, absence of one of the X chromosome. So one chromosome will loss. Okay, resulting in the karyotype, that is 45 plus XO. Okay, 45, that is normal is there, last pair that reduce the one chromosome. Okay, and due to that the female become sterile. Okay, sterile, that is they cannot produce the children in their life. Okay, the female become sterile if they suffer from Turner's syndrome. Okay, they have the rudimentary ovaries. Rudimentary, that is the ovaries are not complete, the ovaries do not lay the egg. Okay, that's why the female become sterile. Okay, next, that is shield shape thorax. The thorax become the shield shape. They have the webbed neck, they have the poor development of breast, and the height, that is small uterus, and puffy fingers that are found in the individual if they have the Turner's syndrome. Okay, so one chromosome will less, like for example here 22 plus XX and 22 plus X or 22 plus Y. Okay, like suppose the two line is there, the upper side 23 chromosome, it is in the female, it is in the male. Okay, so in male basically 23 are the upper side and 23 are the lower side. Here in female the 23 upper side, 23 lower side, 22 plus xx upside and 22 plus o or 0 will downside. Okay, clear? But if this female 22 plus oo that married to a person that have the 22 plus x y, okay, so the karyotype will become 45 plus xo. This x react with the 22 plus o, that's why the karyotype become the 45 plus xo, means one chromosome will reduced. Okay, o that is recessive, that doesn't show any features, any effect. So this is about Turner syndrome. Basically or mostly it occur in the female. Okay, almost it occur in the female. It is the example of monosomy. Monosomy means 2n minus 1. Okay, 46 minus 1, one chromosome will reduced. And the symptoms, that is the female become sterile with rudimentary ovaries, shield shaped thorax, webbed neck, poor development of breast, and the height that is short, the uterus that is small, and they have the puffy fingers. Okay, children, so this is about chromosomal disorders that we have discussed today. I hope you have learned properly.